In this question, we have to find the integration of 5 cos cube x plus 3 sin cube x upon cos square x into sin square x. So we will separate all the values and I will write it as 5 cos cube x upon cos of square of x and sine of square of x. Plus I will write 3 sin cube x upon cos of square of x and sine of square of x dx. So we will cancel cos square x with cos x. You will get the value as 5 of cos of x, and here you will write sine square x dx. Plus from here you will get the value as 3. Sine square x can cancel sine cube x. You will get the value as sine of x. So here you will get sine of x, and now in denominator you will write cos square of x. Now what we can do? We can write the value as sine x as equal to t, and cos x is equal to m. So if I will differentiate this value, you will get cos x dx, that is equal to dt, and cos x, if I am differentiating, you will get minus of sine x dx, that is equal to dm. So you will get the answer as root of integration of 5 into dt, and sine x can be written as t square, plus from here you will get the value as sine x dx, that is equal to minus of dm, and cos square x can be written as m square. So you will get minus of 3 dm upon m square. So 5 dt upon t square can be written as 5 t to the power minus of 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. And here you will get minus of 3 m to the power minus of 2 plus 1 upon minus of 2 plus 1. So you will get the value as 5 t to the power minus 1 and minus of 1 minus 3 into m to the power minus of 1 upon minus of 1. So you will get the whole value as minus of 5 by t minus of 3 by m plus of c. So instead of t, you will write the value as sine of x minus of 3. You will get the value as cos of x plus of c. So you will get the answer as minus of 5 sine of x minus of 3 cos of x plus of c.